Access to RMNP isn't guaranteed by showing up. Without a timed entry permit and a 5 a.m. start, you will likely be turned away at the gate. Two permits exist. Park Access Plus includes the famous Bear Lake Road, while Standard Park Access excludes it. Reservations open on the first of the month at 8 a.m., with 40% held for 5 p.m. the day prior. Even with a permit, the Bear Lake trailhead fills by 6 a.m. Your best move is parking at the park and ride lot across from Glacier Basin and taking the free, frequent shuttle system to the trailheads. For acclimating, start with the 0.8-mile Sprague Lake Loop or the hike to Nymph Lake. These offer high-altitude views without crushing vertical gain, perfect for your first day at 9,000 feet. Ready for moderate difficulty? Emerald Lake is the classic choice, passing 3 alpine lakes. Gem Lake offers unique granite architecture but lacks the alpine feel. Here is how the stats compare. Summer storms are clockwork here. You must be below the tree line by noon to avoid dangerous lightning. This often means starting your harder hikes between 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. Sky Pond is the park's crown jewel but demands a 9-mile round-trip slog. The crux is Timberline Falls, where you must literally scramble up a wet rock chute to reach the upper basin. If you want to summit, Flat Top Mountain is a pure endurance test with nearly 3,000 feet of gain. Sky Pond offers more technical variety but slightly less verticality. Base yourself in Estes Park at 7,500 feet to help acclimatize while you sleep. Budget travelers should look at the YMCA of the Rockies or book Moraine Park Campground 6 months out. Here is a realistic one-day plan based on your fitness. Note the start times. Early alpine starts are non-negotiable for the hiker and athlete tiers to avoid afternoon storms. Screenshot this final checklist. Remember, permit printed, layers packed, and offline maps downloaded before you lose cell service at the park entrance. Plan ahead, start early, and respect the altitude. Safe hiking.